Welcome to INA classes. Today I am going to explain slope of line. Now we have learned earlier in my previous video A is equal to, that is slope of the line, it is denoted by A is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 or rise upon run. Now today I am going to derive this formula. How we can get this formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we have to prove A is equal to this y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 or rise upon run. In some of the books it is denoted by M, or in some books it is denoted by A. Now let's have a look. Proof: the equation of the line, we know that y is equal to ax plus b, or in some books instead of A it is written y is equal to mx plus b. Now let us assume that. Assume 2 points x1 and y1, x2 and y2, they are the 2 points on the line, such that so the equation of the line will be y1 is equal to ax1 plus b, equation 1. Second, y2 is equal to ax2 plus b, equation number 2. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we will get A is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 or rise upon run. Subtracting 1 from equation 2. So this is our formula. Now how can we explain this formula graphically? Now let's draw a graph. This is our x-axis, this is y-axis. Now here y1, y2, x1, x2. So we have to plot the point x2, y2. First point will be here. Second will be here, x1, y1. So how can we draw it? We'll join the line. This is our origin O and this is our straight line. So this will be our slope of the line. So here we can write A is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is our graphical diagram to prove this formula. A is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now I am explaining this formula with the help of one example. Find the slope of the line whose coordinates are 2 and 7, 8 and 1. So what is given? Given is x1, y1, that is 2, 7, and x2, y2, that is 8, 1. So applying this formula, A is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Putting these values in this formula, we have 1 minus 7 by 8 minus 2, that will be minus 6 upon 6 equal to minus 1. So this is our answer. So A is equal to A or M. In some of the books it is written as M. So M or A equal to minus 1. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.